Hello students, so far we have discussed Taylor series to find numerical solution for ordinary differential equations for third semester B students. Now it is video number 43, modified Euler's method, not the Taylor's method, Euler's method to find numerical solution for ordinary differential equations. Same that in theory part, consider the initial value problem dy by dx same as it is in Taylor's method. Dy by dx is equals to f of xy, and very important, y of x naught is equal to y naught. Y of x naught is equal to y naught. So we can insert initial values to get x naught like this. We need to find y at x1 is equal to x naught plus h. One more important, in examples, in problems, if they are not given h, so we have to find using this application x1 is equal to x naught plus h, or h is equal to x1 minus x naught. We first obtain y1 at x1 is equals to y1 by applying Euler's formula. So first Euler's formula and modified Euler's method is different. So first one is Euler's formula. What is that? Y1 at 0. This is a Euler's formula. Y1 at 0 is equal to y naught plus h into f of x naught y naught in Euler's formula first. So we are going to get y1 at 0 or y1 0. To get desired degree of accuracy, here we are not going to get accuracy. So to get required degree of accuracy, we have to apply modified Euler's formula. So formula number, so where successive approximations are denoted by y1 at 1, y1 at 2, y1 at 3 means y1 at modified 1, modified Euler's formula 1, y1 at 1, y1 at 2, y1 3. So first one is y1 at modified 1 is equals to y naught plus h by 2 into f of x naught y naught plus f of x1 y1 at 0. Similarly, second one, y1 at modified 2 or y1 at 2 is equals to y naught plus h by 2. Same, only this term is going to get changed. y1 at 1. y1 at 1 we are going to get by solving this. So answer of this is going to insert here, and here y1 at 0 we are going to get from Euler's formula. So next, the third one, y1 at modified 3 is equals to same y naught plus h by 2 f x naught y naught plus f x1 y1 at modified 2. y1 at modified 2 is the answer of this, y1 modified 2. So if you are going to solve one problem, the theory part will be more clear. So here one problem is there. Given dy by dx is equal to 1 plus y by x, y is equals to 2 at x is equal to 1. It is given dy by dx is equals to 1 plus y, f of x y is equals to 1 plus y by x. Y is equal to at x is equal to 1. Find the approximate value of y at x is equal to 1.2. That means y of 1.2 we have to find out in two steps. In two steps means, so I told first we have to apply Euler's formula, next modified formula 1, next modified formula 2, y of y1 at modified 2. The meaning of y of y1 at modified 2 meaning is that in two steps, taking h is equal to 0.2. No need to calculate h, directly they had given h is equal to 0.2, applying modified Euler's method. So data they had given, so data we have to write x naught is equal to how much? So this one is important, y of x naught is equal to y naught. So y at x is equal to 1 is equals to 2. That means x naught is equal to 1, y naught is equal to 2. X naught is equal to 1, y naught is equal to 2. So x naught is equal to 1, y naught is equal to f of x y is equal to 1 plus y by x, not x by y it is 1 plus y by x, and h is equal to 0.2, x1 is equal to just I told, x1 is equal to x naught plus h is equal to 1.2, y of x1 is equal to y1, same here, y x naught is equal to y naught, that means y of x1 is equal to y1. So y of 1.2 they asked in question, y of 1.2 is equals to, we don't know, we have to calculate this. Now f of x naught y naught is equals to, in place of xy, x naught y naught is equal to 1 plus y by x, y is how much? Y naught 2 divided by x naught 1, 2 by 1, it is 2 plus 1, 3. We have first implement Euler's formula, not modified Euler's formula. So first one is y1 at 0 is equals to y naught plus h f x naught y naught. So it becomes y naught is equal to h is 0.2, f x naught y naught, just we calculated 3, it is 2.6 final answer. Next we have modified Euler's formula. Now we have to apply modified Euler's formula. Y1 at modify 1 is equals to y naught plus h by 2 f of x naught y naught plus f x1 y1 at 0. This one we had calculated already. So 2 plus 0.2 divided by 2, this becomes, this is 3. Next 1 plus, now f of x1 y1, 1 plus, not x by y, it is, in question it is y by x. So we have to change here, y is how much? y1 raised to 0, y1 at 0 divided by x1, y by x, x1. So it becomes 2 plus 0.1, 0.2 divided by 2 is 0.1, 3 plus 1, 4, y1 at 0 divided by x1 is how much? x1 is 1.2. So we are going to get y1 at 1 is equal to, in step 1 it is 2.6167. Next approximation, y1 at 2 is got just by replacing the value of y1 at 1. So just we are going to replace this one, y1 raised to 0. This is y1 at modified 2 is equals to y naught plus h by 2 f of x naught y naught, same x1 here, y1 at 1, earlier it is y1 at 0, now y1 at 1, the same, 2 plus 0.2 divided by 2, f of x naught is 3, we calculated. Next f of x1 y1, 1 plus, now our equation is not x by y, it is y by x, so y is y1 at 1 divided by x1. So x1 is 1.2, y1 at 1 is equal to, just we calculated it is 2.6167. So it becomes 2.6181. In our question they ask, in the answer they required in 2 steps, y1 at modified 2, this is modified 2, step 2. So it is, the answer is y of 1.2 in step 2 is 2.6181, y1 at modified 2 is equal to y of 1.2 is equals to 2.6181 in 2 steps. This is the required solution for this problem.